So Susie and I have been flying through projects. It still like took us a week to get to where we're at, but let me show you guys what we've got done so far. Sorry, there's junk in the way. But first thing we got in was that shower pan and the shower drain. So there's a hole in the floor, the backsplash to it, that board. It's sealed around the edges and framed by wood. And we put in this really nice wall with the air gap between it and the roof of the bus. Once we got this wall in, we were able to put in the countertop. It's mounted to back to each of these vertical braces, and then boom, giant countertop with the sink, and it's pegged up right now with this leg that it came with. Today we literally just finished this thing. It is the bench seat. Underneath here we have where the water storage will be. We have the propane tank enclosure and the propane tank there. When you flip things around, you get this big old monster. So on this side, we have the closet. There's 3 closets. Then it's hinged at this lower point, running along that way, and folds down like a Murphy-style bed. So tons of progress in a short period of time, getting lots of things done and moving forward with the bus project. I'm just excited to see what comes next and to get back to work.